Hello and welcome to another WordPress class. Today we're going to learn about one new theme, which is the Porto theme. Porto theme is very popular and it's top selling on Theme Forest. If you want to learn about Porto theme, you can as well search it on Theme Forest. Just search Porto theme on Google search and then come to Theme Forest. You'll get the details about the Porto theme. And you'll see it is having 5-star rating, which is 4.92, and it has 42,000 sales. So it is that popular, and that's why I've chose today to start learning the Porto theme and how we can implement it in different ways. So let's get started. But before we start, we are going to first look at the capabilities of Porto theme and what it can possibly do, and then after exploring it, we'll then start step by step without skipping any step of how we can implement Porto theme. And hopefully this is going to be our last video sessions. I'm going to make sure that we explore every part of WooCommerce, and since this theme is wide, we can go ahead and look at other, it is multi-purpose, since it is multi-purpose, we can go ahead and look at other different things of WordPress using this theme. So we may have around 4 videos in this series of Porto theme, and in those videos I'll make sure that I conclude this part of WordPress course. So we begin. First of all, it is majorly for WooCommerce, and you can see it is #1 and best rated as 4.9. So it is having 100 plus demos, having more than 100 demos, and it is having 40 web pages, more than 40,000 web pages inbuilt in those 100 demos. So these guys, they really know what they're doing. So I'm not going to explain everything, because if you want to learn more about it, I'll put the link in the description so you can come and access the landing page of this Porto theme, and then you can explore and find out whether it is interesting for you or not. So it supports both Elementor and WP Bakery, so it is a modern theme and it is always updated since it supports these 2 page editors. Again, it has 6 more cores where they focus on optimization speed, so they make sure that our website is as fast as possible. So they focus on speed, they focus on WooCommerce, they make sure that it covers as much parts of WooCommerce as possible, or the capabilities of WooCommerce as possible. It has a lot of options where you can enable some and we can disable some according to our needs, and they have stayed around for many years, meaning that they have experience. It also works fine with the low-level servers. Like our servers are not that powerful, still it will work okay. So it means that the code is written in a way that it can work even with minimum servers, and they always keep on updating. For example, as I can speak now, it was last updated in this very month. So these guys, they know what they're doing in simple terms. So here are some of the demos. So it has sections, different sections. For example, it has a slider section and a banner section, and section for products or any content on our site. So you just add this slider section and the banner, and then the content for your site, for your website, and then you come up with a website. So it is simple to implement. Also, this theme has made, just like what I told you, it has made more than 100 demos. Okay, it has 100 demos. 73 of them, they are multi-purpose. It means that we can use them not for e-commerce only, but we can use it for different kinds of websites. 73 of them, and 36 of them, they are purposely for e-commerce. So it is a it's a multi-purpose WordPress theme. So here are some of the demos. We have the main business demo, we have the shop demo. I'll not explore all of them, but I'm going to open some in the new tab and we see if they'll inspire us to implement these demos. So I'll open this one new tab and this one new tab, So those are two shops. This is a construction, this is a for what, for multi-purpose, and then you have this business for medical, SEO, IT service. Okay, those are enough for opening. Let me scroll and see if I have no other. This is e-commerce shop, contract or not. Okay, shop for fashion. Let me open for barber. Let me open for shop. Okay, so all these, they are demos. I'll not manage to open all of them. Also, when you showcase your app, you can use them. So all these are demos. Come and play and see if you can get one that will inspire you. This is a shop, 31st shop, the 20th shop. I'll not open all of them. I'm going to just open some and look at them and see if they can really inspire us. Okay, that's enough. That's enough for these ones. But in your free time, you can come and check out this landing page. The link I'll put in the description, and then you see if these demos can inspire you. So that's our first shop. We can possibly make such a shop with what? With this e-commerce theme that you're going to look at today. Whereby we can have these categories in this side, and then the slider. You see, this is a slider, and then our products in this side. We can quick view a product and just click there, and then the product will be loaded asynchronously without refreshing the whole page. As you can see there, you can change, and we can have product variations. All of these are going to be covered in this video series, and you can also share this product to different social medias, and then there's also add to cart. So that is a simple landing. And let us look at another demo content. This is another demo content. They have a pop-up, and then we have products, ads, and then product can also be viewed in this way. So you have different menus that you can preview in this way. I'll not explore all of them. I'm just going to show. So I'm just going to show the top parts to save your time. And like the way I told you, it is a multi-purpose theme. So you can see this is a construction website. You can still make it from such a theme, from a construction website. About us, they have written all these pages for you. So your task will be just to install the theme and then modify to what you need for your customer or for yourself. This is portal for what? For business consulting, or consultation business. You can also make a consultation business website using this same theme. So it is a multi-purpose, not just for e-commerce, but multiple websites that you can make from this theme. So you can change the slides if you want, and you can create this about us page. You can modify it to your own. Also the services page, you can also modify the services page according to your own. So I'll go to another demo. This is for a medical. So you can see it is really impressive, and they really know what they're doing. For medical, I'll close that one. This is for SEO, in case you want to make a search engine company website, optimization website. So you can also make it using this theme. Pricing, all of them, they are installed. So with that, I'll not showcase everything. I'll just go and close. In case you want to learn more, you can come just and click on the link, and then you'll be able to do what? To look at the different capabilities of this theme. So I'll say that is enough of showcase. Let me just close. You can also make such a fashion website with this theme, selling perfumes and the rest with this theme. I'll close that one. You can make also a dark mode website like this one. For example, this is a barber website. You can also modify that. You can also make a fashion selling website. You can see clean stuff. This is minimalism website. This can be your demos, and you can see everything is really clean with this theme. So you can make such a website. Someone click there, and then they'll see what? The details of that particular website. This is shop 3. So you can also modify according to what? To what you want. So this was what? This was shop 3. and when you click on a single product, this is how a single product will be previewed. And if I click here, I'll see the single product in full photos. You can put here your ad, you can go to another product by skipping using these next buttons, and this is a full width. Okay, and you can see they really know what to do. They really know what they're doing. So I'll close that one. Also, that has shop 3. You can showcase your apps in case you want to make a website for that showcases an Android app or any kind of app. You can also showcase using this theme. This is another e-commerce website that sells smart gadgets like these ones. You can also make using that one. You can make such a kind of website using this theme. I'll close. That's enough. I hope you got the reason why we should use this theme. That's enough. I hope it's more than this, but to save your time, I'll skip. And in case you want to learn more, you can just go ahead and click on the link in this description and learn more about different themes that you can, different demos that you can make out of this theme. A furniture website. You want to make a furniture website with this theme, is all possible. To make such a furniture website. So I'm excited. I hope you are too. So with that much said, I'm just going to skip all this and then jump to the real business of how to download and install this theme. So it's a lot that this theme covers. So I'll put the link for this showcase that you can come and look at these different demo content and features of this theme, and then decide if you want to make a website out of this theme or not. There are also other websites that have been made out of this theme. They are here, real world existing website. So you can come and check and see if there is any that will inspire you, and also give you yourself a challenge if you can make such kind of website out of this theme. So with that much said, let's get started to the real business. So I'll begin from scratch. I'll begin from zero, since this one is our final series of videos. So I'm going to begin from very, very, very zero, so that you should be able to do what? You should be able to understand the whole concept. So here we are at the Cpanel. So I made a previous video that shows how you can purchase your hosting, how you can activate up to the point of even accessing your Cpanel. I made that video. It's a 15 minutes video, and in case you want to watch it, I'll put the link for that video in the description of this video, so that you click on that link and check it out in case you want to learn how to order a hosting service and how to purchase a hosting service and how to pay even with the local payment up to this point of accessing your Cpanel. I have already made that video. So if you want to just learn that, you find the link of that video in the description of this video. So I'll hope that at this point everyone can access this Cpanel, just like the way I explained in the previous video. If you cannot, then please watch the previous video and you learn how to purchase a hosting even in whatever country you are. And then if you can, then that's great, then you can access this part. Okay, so here we are. This is my Cpanel. I'm going to create my website. So I'll just go to WordPress here, and I'm starting from zero, that even if it's your first day you can understand everything. But if it's your first day to learn WordPress, I would recommend you just watch my previous videos and make sure that you're the same levels. Otherwise you may be lost if you've never worked with WordPress before. So here we are at WordPress, and I'm going to click on install. I'm going to select the latest WordPress. I'm going to put HTTPS, and I'm going to leave it my domain, but I'm going to create another folder for this website WordPress project. I'm going to create another separate folder so that it should not mess up with my previous projects. So I'm going to call this one Portal. Okay, so that the content should come in this folder. Okay, so this my blog, it can be changed later, and the description of this website can be changed later. So I'll keep the admin and pass to remain the same, but if you're making a real WordPress website, make sure that this admin and pass the password, the username and your password, that you will not forget, and you'll use these credentials to log in into your system. Then me put here my email in case I forget the password. I can be able to reset the email. Okay, so always put that email that is correct there. That's very important. Many people always forget this password, but change your password and make it in a way that you cannot forget it and it's strong. So I'll leave everything the way it is, English and everything and everything and everything. But the most part here, I'll leave it in Portal. But if the domain is your own domain, like you don't have any content for this, you have to wrap this word and make sure that this space is empty. But me, I want to create a new folder where I'm going to practice from. So I'll go ahead and click on install. I'll start processing. And there it goes. It has already installed WordPress for us. So I click here to log into that WordPress website. Boom, that's our WordPress website. That is Genius 24/portal. That is my website. So if I click on public, I have the public website. I hope you can also do that at this point. I just click this one, then it logged here on this second link. It logged me in. If you cannot, then you can click on the first one in case you want to log in. So that is my website. So now we get started. I'm going to begin by installing the theme itself. So I click on my blog and then come on appearance and then select theme. There we are. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on add new and then upload theme. So here I already have the theme, and I'll put the link where you can download this theme from. But in the description, I'll put the link where you can download this theme from in the description. So let me get the theme itself. My theme is here. Is here, the zip file. So my task is going to just be to upload this theme and then follow the next steps. If you want to learn how to download this theme, I'll put the link in the description. So I'll just drag and drop it here. File location, then click on install. Then to start installing, it will start uploading. You can see on bottom how it is uploading, 3%. So be patient for a minute as it is uploading. Choose. Great. So our theme has been installed successfully. So my task is going just to be to activate this theme. So to activate the theme, I'll just simply click on activate. Then this theme will be activated. Boom. So it has activated the theme, and if I go to my website here, I'll see there's nothing big for on my website. It's just still almost the same. So the thing is that I have to do what? To install, to set up my website. So we begin. This theme has its own. Okay, when you install this theme, let me just show you. When I install this theme and I come to my dashboard, I'll see this portal part here. Okay, it will be there. So it will just be extra menu that has been added to our website. So we're going to begin with a setup wizard step by step as we're doing as we're setting our theme. So we begin by setup wizard here. Click on setup wizard, and then it will guide you on steps that you have to take when installing this theme. To to set up this theme. So I click on let's go, and then activation says, and then sometimes here you will find challenges. I repeat, sometimes here you'll find challenges in the status of your website. So for example, to show you warning, I know most of servers will show you warning. To solve these problems, you come to your cPanel. You should be able to access your cPanel. So let me come to my cPanel. Come to your cPanel, then come to PHP ini editor. PHP ini editor. Search ini. Here, PHP ini editor. Editor, then select your homepage, your domain, and if it's the same different subdomain, you have to select those subdomains. So you see here, if for example our memory limit is less than 300, it will warn. For example, let me put the memory limit. You see here, memory limit, it's 300 there. So let me change it maybe to 100, or maybe let me make it 50, and then I save, I apply. So if I come and refresh here, I hope, okay, the theme will warn in case it is less than 50. Okay, in case it's less than 50, the theme will do what will warn. So if you want to update it, you have to come here and change it to what? To at least 300. It will warn, it will make a warning, and that's how we can change it. So let me come here, for example, post size, let me change it to 50, and you see, if I upload, if I come and refresh, it will, you see, it is showing the error. It says that the maximum input variables are 50, but this theme needs a minimum of what? Of 200 maximum input, 2000. So I have to come here, like that shown you, come to your cPanel, come to PHP ini editor. Where is it? Just search ini here, PHP ini editor. In PHP editor, then select your domain in case, or your subdomain if in case you're using subdomain, then come and set this one. So you have to come and set according to what they want here. You see here there's an error, so let me set this one to what? To 5,000, at least 5,000. Let me make them 5,000. So if I refresh here, you see everything should be okay. Otherwise, if everything is not okay, then you may find problems in installing the demo content. So make sure that everything is tick, and this is where I change this from. Okay, so after everything is checked, I'll have to do what? To continue. Install the child theme. This child theme, I'll skip it. You can skip it, it's not necessary. And then you have to install the plugins. So the most necessary plugin is the portal plugin. And then we'll use WP Bakery page builder, and we'll use also the revolution slider. So you have to select all these three. The Elementor will not use Elementor, but if you're to use Elementor, then you will not select the WP Bakery. So I'll use only these three. And then I'll use Contact 7 for contacting WooCommerce. Also select WooCommerce and dynamic featured image. So these 6 plugins, we'll need them. These are necessary, and then these are optional, but important. But don't install Elementor and WP Bakery. If you're to install this, then install Elementor. But if you're to not install Elementor, then install WP Bakery. So in simple terms, I've selected all the plugins, but I skipped the Elementor plugin. So I'll click on on continue. Then these plugins will start doing what? Will start installing. So you have to be patient for this plugin to install. So you can see success for the first one. Hopefully the second one also going to be success for the second one, and hopefully functionalities success, and also installing the third one also success, and the WooCommerce, that's the core of our project, success, and then also the documentation, the dynamic featured image for speeding our website, success. So everything has been installed successfully, and I hope everyone can reach that point. So after installing successfully, then we will have our our part of installing the demo content. So you have to first come to the website here, to the demo content, and choose the demo content that you want to install for your for your website. So let me choose the one that I want to select here. There is the shop, there is this one, there's this one, there's so many. Okay, so if you can also filter them. For example, if I click on shop, I'll see only shops. I want portfolios, I can click there on portfolio and see only portfolio websites. So let me click on shop, since we're going to master in shops, and I'm going to select a particular shop that I want. I don't know whether I should install shop 1 or any. All of them, they look great. So let me install one that is having almost all features. All of them, they really look nice. Let me install one that covers many features, and I'll install shop 1. Okay, it might not be the most beautiful, but I'll install shop 1 that covers all the features. So I click on install shop 1, and I'll click on WP Page Bakery. Don't click on others. I'll just select WP Page Bakery, and then I click on standard import. Then you should start importing, and I hope you will not have any error when importing your shop. So wait for a minute as it is importing. Boom, it has successfully installed our demo. So if I click on visit the site, then I'll be able to see my website. Boom, that's it. That's a great website I've made just within clicks, and the remaining part will be just to do what? To modify it. It even has the what? It even has the subscription later. For example, I want to subscribe for the emails. At this shop 0x. So I'm going to break step by step into point how to create these pop-ups, how to create the subscription emails, how to manage everything from scratch. And this is going to be our mastery class, our mastery video series. And in these videos, there are going to be like 6 videos, and it's where I'm going to make sure that we master everything that we've been covering before in WordPress videos. So there's our first shop. I can still go ahead maybe and change it, but for now I'll keep that one. Okay, so don't install multiple shops. So we're going to learn how to modify these sliders, how to modify these menus, how to make product variations, and how to do all the remaining parts of WooCommerce, how to make a multi-vendor website. You see here they're having feedbacks. All these things, we're going to cover them in these mastery classes. And one more thing, this theme is responsive. Let me open this in incognito mode so that I should not be considered like I'm logged in. So I'll press Ctrl-Shift-N, and then I'll just come and copy this and paste it there. And then they'll have a portal theme. So this is how the customers will look at the website when they are not logged in. We're having that advertisement on top that you can see on top here. I'll show you how to set it. All we're going to cover it, how to close it, how to make it appear 10 words, how to switch the currencies, how to switch the languages. I'll show you how to manage all these menus. Okay, all of them, you're going to cover them in this mastery class. So I can also show you, for example, the products. To see the products, this is the product, single product page, and it has variations. I'll show you how to create these variations. Full image. Okay, so the thing is that I want to show you how, if we count to shop, this is how a single shop will be displayed, and you can change these ones according to what? According to a particular shop that you want to display. So I wanted to show you that it is also responsive. Just press Ctrl-Shift-I, Control and Shift and I, then click here on the mobile phone, and then click here on Samsung Galaxy. Then it will show you how the website will look like on a mobile phone, which is a nice e-commerce website. There is filtering. You see, someone can filter, and then someone can change, and then someone can go back to home, and someone can change the currency, from here. Someone can change the language. So all these will be covered in this mastering video that you're going to start. So with that said, I'll stop from here for this video, and you see they're having that left menu, left ads, where I can change this one to promotion, advertisements, sign up for emails, feedback from people. That one's also there. Also the filtering part is also there, and the add to cart is here. The cart, what is someone has in the cart. So if I come here, I'll come to the main part. Like if I add a product in a cart, let me add, for example, one in cart. Let me view it, and let me add this one to cart. Yeah, I've not selected the variation. Let me select this variation and large, and when I add to cart, to do what? It will show us that we have added this product to cart successfully. So with that much said, I will start from there in the next class, and we'll have to master each part of this website and how you can make experts. You will also cover the remaining plugins using this theme, and we'll make sure that by the end of this class series, we learn how to make an expert or a real world website. So let's meet in the next class from here. So in the next class, we'll have to break all this down. Have to break everything down step by step. So see you in the next class. Thank you for watching.